Today I'm going to show you how to pin a website on Google Chrome step by step so you can keep your favorite sites easy to find and always ready when you need them. This is super useful for websites like YouTube, Gmail, WhatsApp Web, or Google Docs, especially if you open them every day. And if you want more simple tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to pin. In this example, you can use any site you like, such as YouTube, Gmail, WhatsApp Web, or Google Docs. Just make sure the website has fully loaded before you move to the next step, because that makes it easier to pin the correct tab. Now look at the top of Chrome where your browser tabs are showing. Find the tab for the website you want to keep pinned, then right-click that tab. A menu will appear with several options, and this is where the pin feature is located. From the menu, click Pin. As soon as you do that, you'll notice the tab becomes smaller and moves over to the left side of Chrome. That is how you know it has been pinned successfully. Pinned tabs are great because they stay open, take up less space, and make it much faster to access websites you use all the time. This is especially helpful if you like to keep important pages organized at the top of your browser. Instead of opening the same website again and again, you can just click the pinned tab and get right back to it. It's a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time every day. If you ever want to remove a pinned website later, the process is just as easy. Right-click the pinned tab again and then click Unpin. Once you do that, the tab will return to its normal size and behave like a regular browser tab again, and that's it. You now know how to pin a website on Google Chrome and unpin it whenever you want. It's a quick, easy way to keep your most important websites organized and always within reach. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.